Hello, real estate professionals. Welcome back. Are you burning the midnight oil, juggling endless tasks, and feeling overwhelmed by long working hours? Today, we're unlocking how lean strategy powered by ChatGPT can transform inefficiency into streamlined success, all through actionable ideas you can start implementing right away. And as you watch, you'll see me prompting ChatGPT step by step in the background to derive these insights. Real estate is demanding. Agents are stretched thin, working evenings and weekends to meet client needs. Extended hours due to client availability, market pressures, and administrative overload lead to burnout, reduced efficiency, and even personal strain. Here's where lean strategy with ChatGPT comes in, offering creative solutions to reclaim your time. Streamlined workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and delegate non-value activities. Time blocking and prioritization, identify critical tasks and schedule dedicated focus periods. Continuous improvement, use data-driven insights to eliminate waste and enhance efficiency. Smart technology integration, leverage AI tools to monitor performance and optimize processes. Implementing these lean ideas is simpler than you think. Start small, identify your most time-consuming tasks, and focus on automating them using AI-powered tools. Prioritize tasks, break your day into focused blocks, tackling high-impact activities first. Measure and adjust. Regularly review your performance metrics with ChatGPT insights to refine your process. Empower your team. Create internal forums for sharing best practices and continuously refine your approach. By embracing these lean strategy ideas with ChatGPT, you can cut down your working hours, boost efficiency, and reclaim your work-life balance. Imagine faster decisions, reduced burnout, and more time to focus on what truly matters, serving your clients and growing your business. Ready to optimize your efficiency and reclaim your time? Harness these lean strategy ideas with ChatGPT and tailor them to fit your unique challenges. And remember, as you watch, you can see me prompting ChatGPT step by step in the background, turning insights into actionable strategies. Like this video, subscribe for more breakthrough insights, join our newsletter for exclusive tips, and check out my book for a deeper dive into transformative strategies. Thanks for watching, real estate professionals. Let's streamline and succeed together.